Okay, now you can see the blank page because we are going to have a dictation exercise. I am going to dictate some words to you letter by letter. So write the letters and then we'll check together. Are you ready? Take a paper and a pencil and write the letters that I dictate you. Okay, off we go. First letter, D. D. I'm going to repeat the letters twice. So the first letter is D. A. A. D. D. So that was the first word. D. A. D. And this is the word. D. A. D. Dad. 1 point for you. Second word. N. N. A. A. M. M. E. E. I'll say it again. N. A. M. E. N. A. M. E. Name. N. A. M. E. Okay. Let's go to the third word. Ready? D. D. O. O. G. G. I'll say it again. D. O. G. D. O. G. Dog. D. O. G. Well, are you doing okay? Now the last word. Ready? B. B. I. I. R. R. D. D. Say it again. B. I. R. D. B. I. R. D. Bird. B. I. R. D. Okay. So if you could do it, very good for you. Now try to spell your name. See you in the next exercise. Bye.